Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. We meet on the Sounds and Spelling book again, but today we're having the last chapter for the sounds of E, ER, AR, and OE. Starting up with the E sound, so question 1, look, listen, and repeat. Repeat after me. Cheese, cheese. Sheep, sheep. Sleep, sleep. Feet, feet. Bee, bee. Great. Question 2. Listen and chat. Cheese. Sheep. Sleep. Feet. Bee. Well done. Question 3. Listen, circle E and say. Okay, let's follow the line. Bee, sheep, sleep, cheese. Great. Question 4. Write, match, and say. Bee, sheep. Again, bee, sheep. Well done. Question 5. Circle the words, copy, and say. 1. What do you think the answer for number 1? Correct. Sleep. 2. Feet. And the last one, 3. Correct. Teeth. Question 6. Let's blend. Listen, follow, and write. 1. See. 2. Green. 3. Sweet. Again, see, green, sweet. Well done. Question 7. Look, listen, and repeat. This is the tricky word, said. Okay, he said yes. She said no. Again, he said yes. She said no. Question 8. Look, listen, and write. 1. She said stop. 2. He said look up. She said stop. He said look up. Moving along the ER sound. So question 1, look, listen, and repeat. Again, repeat after me. Herb, herb. Perfume, perfume. Person, person. Fern, fern. Iceberg, iceberg. Herd, herd. Great. Question 2. Listen and chat. Herb. Person. Perfume. Fern. Iceberg. Heard. Well done. Question 3. Listen, circle and match. 1. Fern. 2. Herb. 3. Perfume. Question 4. Follow, write, and say. 1. That's person. 2. That's iceberg. 3. That's heard. Question 5. Listen and repeat. Circle and write. 1. Fern. Fern. 2. Correct. Perfume. Perfume. Question 6. Let's blend. Listen, follow, and say. Write. 1. Heard. 2. Fern. 3. Herb. Well done. Question 7. Look, listen, and repeat. This is the tricky word, come. So, come to the lake. Come to the tree. Again, come to the lake. Come to the tree. Question 8. Write and say. We can use these words to write along with come. So 1. Come to the shop. 2. Come to the swing. 3. Come to the garden. Next sound is AR. So question 1, look, listen, and repeat. Repeat after me. star, star, dark, dark, shark, shark, scarf, scarf, park, park, farm, farm. Question 2. Listen and chat. R, star. R, dark. R, shark. R, scarf. R, park. R, farm. Excellent. Question 3. Listen, match, and circle AR. 1. Scarf. 2. Dark. 3. Shark. 4. Star. Question 4. Let's blend. Write and say. 1. Farm. 2. Park. Again. Farm. Park. Well done. Question 5. Listen, circle, and write. How about we make it a quick exercise for you? Pause the video and write the answers. Are you ready to solve this alone? Woo! Got the correct answers? Great. So the answer for number 1 is shark. 2. Scarf. 3. Star. 4. Park. 5. Art. And 6. Car. Well done. Question 6. Look, listen, and repeat. This is the tricky word do. I do art. We do sport. Again, I do art. We do sports. Great. Question 7. Write, follow, and say. Let's view do in the lines in 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. 1. I do art. 2. I do sports. 3. I do sums. The final sound is OE, so question 1, look, listen, and repeat. Again, repeat after me. Note, note, rose, rose, rope, rope, nose, nose, home, home, cone, cone, bone, bone, stone, stone. Well done. Question 2. Listen and chant. O-E, notes. O-E, rose. O-E, rope. O-E, nose. O-E, home. O-E, cone. O-E, bone. O-E, stone. Question 3. Listen and circle. 1. That's rose. 2. That's stone. Rose, stone. Question 4. Match, write, and say. 1. Home. 2. Note. 3. Bone. Excellent. Question 5. Let's blend. Listen, order, and write. Are you ready? 1. N-O-T-E. Note. 2. R-O-P-E. Rope. 3. C-O-N-E. Cone. Now question 6 again. Let's blend, listen, match, and write. I will give you time to solve this one alone. Are you ready? Question 7. Look, listen, and repeat. This is the tricky word so, which means really or very. It is so big. It is so wet. Again, it is so big. It is so wet. Question 8. Look, write, and say. 1. It is so loud. What about 2? Correct. It is so long. 3. It is so hot. And 4. Correct, it is so quiet. Here we have reached the end of our video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.